Today on Science Fridays with John, we're going to take a look at cranberry juice, Clorox, and see what impact they have on each other and how that can be related on what can happen in your own life. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the lab. Hi everyone, I'm John, the science guy, and welcome to another Science Fridays with John. So I have cranberry juice and I have some Clorox. Incidentally, you do not want to drink what we're going to be doing today. This is strictly for a demonstration purpose. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my cranberry juice. Pretty easy to do. And it opened. I don't have to get that little stupid top. I hate when they have those, right? So I'm going to take my cranberry juice just like so. And I'm going to pour some in there. Okay. Great. And I'll put the top back on. The reason I'm going to do that is, accidents happen. People knock things over. This way the cap's on there. All right. Clorox. Going to take this. Has the little child-proof latch on it. And strangely enough, there was no metal thing. I always remember foil. They stopped putting those on. Surprising. All right, I'm going to take a little bit of my Clorox and I'm going to pour it into my cranberry juice and watch what happens, everyone. Wow. It actually changed color. All right, just got to get a paper towel here just to mop up there. We don't want to have Clorox is a disinfectant, but we don't want to have it going all over everything. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take the Clorox and we're going to pour that. Incidentally, don't inhale this stuff. It's not good for you. All right, and now once we've got the Clorox in there, we're going to go ahead and try to pour some cranberry juice in there. And notice that it doesn't change. So why did we do this experiment? The reason we did this experiment is because when you're around negative people, they change who you are as a person and they affect your actions. When we saw that this was all full of color, just like in your life, and you're all full of goodness and great energy, and then the minute or the second you get around people that are negative or have bad energy, they can quickly strip you of your goodness, of your color, of your intentions, and being able to achieve your goals. We also saw that when there was a lot of bad, which is the Clorox, and we tried to add a little bit of goodness to it, no matter what we did, we could not go back and become positive. That means that once you are positive, you can go negative very quickly. But you can't go negative to positive very quickly without some additional work. That can be some programming of the mind, some affirmations. But I want you to understand how powerful this was. Just in less than a couple seconds, this went negative. Your life can go negative just like that. I want to ask you to please go ahead and comment below, tag your friends, colleagues, and associates, share this out with everyone you know on social media, and then, of course, everyone, please click on the bell notification icon, the thumbs up button, the subscribe button, and click on the PayPal button and make the choice to buy my team and I a cup of coffee. We'll be so grateful, and we will, yes, invest into new hardware, new technology, new equipment, new software, even new facilities, even those jaw-dropping motivational content to empower your life. Check out all my great content at believemeachieve.com, and I'll see you in my lab again real soon. Take care.